Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Today our class is about maths. Open your maths book, beta. Open page number 36. Today we are doing more practice of making 10. Making 10. More sums of making 10. Okay. First recite dua with me. Rabbi zidni ilma. Oh my Lord, increase my knowledge. First we have to write date and day. Now, our first sum is Hira. Who is she? Hira. Hira has few pencils. She has 8 pink pencils. Count with me, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 2 purple pencils. Now count with me, purple pencils. 1, 2. So we will write 8 in pink circle and 2 in purple circle. Now we will count all pencils together. How many pencils are all together? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 8 and 2 makes 10. 8 and 2 make 10. Hira has 10 pencils all together. Hira के पास 8 pink pencils हैं और 2 purple pencils हैं. तो जब हमने 8 और 2 दोनों को एक साथ काउंट किया, सारी पेंसिल्स को एक साथ काउंट किया, तो हीरा के पास टोटल कितनी पेंसिल्स हैं? 10 पेंसिल्स हैं. Now, Asif. He is Asif. Asif has few tops. He has 5 green tops. Count with me, beta. Green tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will write 5 in green circle. And 5 blue tops. Now we will count blue tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will write 5 in blue circle. Now we will count all tops together. How many tops are there? We will count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tops all together. So 5 and 5 make 10. Asif has 10 tops all together. आसिफ के पास टॉप्स हैं, कुछ टॉप्स हैं, कुछ ग्रीन है और कुछ ब्लू है. 5 ग्रीन है और 5 ब्लू है. जब हमने 5 ग्रीन और 5 ब्लू को एक साथ काउंट किया तो कितने बने? 10. It means 5 and 5 make 10. Okay. Now, Ikra. Ikra has few balls. She has 9 orange balls. We will count orange balls better now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we will write 9 in orange circle. And 1 red ball. How many red ball? 1 only. So we will write 1 in red circle. Now we will count all balls together. How many balls are there all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 balls all together. So 9, 1 and 9 make 10. Ikra has 10 balls all together. Ikra के पास 9 orange balls हैं और 1 red ball है. तो जब हमने ऑरेंज और रेड बॉल को एक साथ काउंट किया तो इकरा के पास कितनी बॉल्स हुई? 10. So 1 and 9 make 10. Ikra has 10 balls altogether. Now Minna has 10 glasses. Count the glasses with me, beta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we will write 10 glasses. But she has no jug. Can you see any jug here? No jug. So no means 0. So she has 0 jug. So we will count again. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 glasses altogether. 10 and 0 make 10. Because 0 is nothing. When we add 0 to any number remains same. So 10. Minna has 10 glasses altogether. Minna के पास 10 glasses हैं पर कोई जग नहीं है. तो 10 glasses के साथ जब हमने 0 ऐड किया तो क्या बना? 10 वैसे ही रह गया. तो मीना के पास 10 glasses है. I hope you all understand it. Do this page at your home. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.